how's it going guys? So itong video to is I will tell you how you can grow your YouTube channel faster. So itong mga sasabihin ko is very much helpful sa mga small YouTubers kagaya ko. So we will grow together. Alam ko nag-click kayo nitong video na to kasi gusto nyo malaman paano mag-grow yung YouTube channel mo faster. So kumuha kayo ng pen and paper para masulat ang lahat ng sasabihin ko. And also do watch the entire video kasi lahat ng sasabihin ko sa iyo ay makakatulong ito sa YouTube journey mo. So before we start, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. If you did, thank you so much. And follow me on my Instagram. It is @beautifynicole. And follow me on my gaming page. It will be placed over here. Follow me on my second YouTube channel. It will be linked down below. So without further ado, let us start. Nakakuha na kayo ng pen and paper, di ba? Okay na. I will now start talaga. So first on the list is do your research. Kasi naman, we don't just upload videos here sa YouTube. Before ka mag-upload ng videos, tumingin ka muna sa mga laking mga channels. And I've said this before. Yes, I've said this na talaga. Tumingin ka sa mga malalaking channel na related sa niche mo and i-analyze mo bakit maraming tumitingin nitong video na to. Tapos, kapag na-analyze mo ng isa, pumunta ka ng another channel, another video, i-analyze mo yan. And kapag marami ka na na-analyze, you will cluster them and yung information na nag-gather mo, you're going to place that in your videos. Ayan. So, research is very important. So, we will now go to the second one. It is plan ahead. So, after ka mag-research, of course, you're going to plan it. So, you're going to plan your videos like, itong video na to, ano bang content nito? Ano bang meron nito? Ano bang makukuha ng mga viewers ko nito? So, you really have to plan each video. Then, make a list na, ito unang video, second, third, fourth, mga ganon. Make your list longer para marami kang content. Hindi ka maubusan ng content. It is very much important na maglista ka kasi magkakraming ka. Promise, I've been there. Magkakraming. Ano bang susunod ko na video? Ano bang gusto na makita sa mga tao? So, plan ahead. So, it's hand in hand. Do your research and you plan ahead. Ayan. Kasi like I said in my previous video, YouTube is serious business. Kasi if you're going to really plan your videos, mag-research ka talaga, paano ba itong mga videos na to, you're going to make it talaga sa YouTube. You just really have to work hard talaga. You will really make it, I promise, sooner or later. Kasi dito sa YouTube, mali-discover ka. It only takes one viral video na meron talagang video na, ayan, 1 million views. Depende lang talaga. It really takes one viral video at magsunod-sunod na yan. So, yung third naman is increase your watch time. Ayan. Why is this very much important? Kasi alam naman natin, di ba, isa sa mga requirements to be a YouTube partner program is 4,000 watch hours. And also, importante yung watch hours kasi kapag nakita ng YouTube na, ay, itong video na to, mataas yung watch time niya, mataas yung watch hours niya. Ang YouTube naman, ang gagawin nila is they're going to push your videos na it's going to be seen na maraming tao, makikita sa lahat ng tao. They're going to push it kasi alam nila, itong video na ito, maraming tumitingin, at mataas yung watch hours niya. Mataas yung duration sa pagtingin sa mga tao. And YouTube loves that. Love ng YouTube yan. Mataas yung watch hours. Mataas yung duration sa pagtanaw, sa pag-view. Gustong-gusto talaga yan sa YouTube. So, it is very much important na i-increase yung watch hours. So, how do you increase by your watch hours? Now, we will go to the next one, which is have quality videos. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng quality videos? So, kapag ibig sabihin ng quality videos, hindi naman siya dapat talaga necessary na you will have the very high-end na mga cameras. You can always use your phone. By quality videos, it means na maganda yung content, lighting, basta yung mga videos na hindi mo impromptu na ginawa. Yung mga videos na you have no idea what to do. Kasi obvious naman talaga yan sa mga viewers. Yung mga videos na wala talagang content, yung walang purpose. Yung mga videos na basta lang maka-upload. So, wag kang gumawa ng non-quality videos. Napaka-importante talaga kasi yung mga quality videos talaga, yan yung magpa-stay at magpa-increase ng mga watch time mo. So, when you film, make sure naman yung video mo is klaro siya, na hindi siya parang blur. Wait lang, let me have an example. Katulad nito, it is very dark. Hindi naman talaga gusto ng mga audience, di ba, na manood ng very dark na video na halos wala talaga makita. I mean, I have light here, pero hindi talaga siya ganoon kahayag. So, it gives a very dark vibe. So, wag yung mga videos na ganyan. Make sure talaga na merong light. Wait lang, super light. Ayan, make sure na you have light. Para naman ma-improve yung quality ng video mo. Basically, maging mas klaro yung video mo. Mas klaro ka sa tao. Mas pakita yung mukha mo. And also, when you're doing a video, make sure you have so much energy. Ayan, kahit na pagod ka while you're filming this, wag mong ipakita yan sa mga viewers. Dapat meron talaga energy. Ayan, energy gap, maka-copyright tayo dyan. So, you must have energy talaga. Kasi kapag meron kang energy, mas magsistay yung viewers. Kasi of course, masayahan yung mga tao kapag makakita sila ng mga videos na napaka-energetic talaga. Kasi we're going to give energy vibes to them na yung nanood ng video mo, let's say, pagod sila. Pero kapag energetic ka sa video mo, you're going to give them energy too. Ayan, that is a quality video. Kapag nakapag-transfer ka ng energy mo sa kanila, yung happiness mo, yung feeling mo, kapag nakakonect ka sa viewers, ayan, that is a quality video. So, the next thing naman na sasabihin ko is have a good and a powerful thumbnail. Kasi naman dito sa thumbnail, it goes with the saying na first impressions last. Kasi kapag pangit yung thumbnail mo, hindi mag-click yung tao. Kahit naman you have the best of the best na content, pero kapag yung thumbnail mo ay napaka-tsaka talaga na wala talagang plano, yung wala lang, kumuha ka lang dun sa mga suggested na mga thumbnails, hindi yan sila mag-click. Kasi diba, first impressions last. So make sure your thumbnail is very powerful para makaklik ng mga tao. So, yung next naman is, upload regularly. Ayan, dapat tayo may schedule dito sa YouTube. Kasi I've been saying this, yung channel mo is like an episode para sa mga viewers mo. Dapat alam nila yung schedule mo. Kasi yung schedule ko is TTHS every 4:30 PM. Ayan. Kapag nakapili ka na ng schedule, make sure talaga na yan na yung schedule mo. Huwag mo yan skip, huwag mo yung ibahin. Kasi yung mga viewers mo, ma-remember yan nila na, oh, itong araw na to, mag-upload na siya. Ayan, they're going to remember that. So, huwag mo yung skip. Make sure you stay consistent on your schedule and upload regularly. So, pili ka lang ng mga days na gusto mo mag-upload. So, like I said in the previous video, if you're a starting YouTuber, it is much recommended or mas maganda if you're going to upload 3 times a week. Tapos naman yung sinabi ko na 3 times a week. Wag naman yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday na walang gap. Make sure naman Monday, Wednesday, Friday, ganun, or TTHS. Mga ganun. And again, never miss yung schedule mo. I swear, mag-regret ka talaga kapag meron kang ma-miss na day. Promise. So the next is, mag-engage kasi yung mga viewers, kasi sila yung reason na nag-grow yung channel mo, na meron kang subscribers, meron tumitingin sa mga videos mo. Kapag mag-comment sila, reply ka, heart them. Kasi naman, you're a YouTuber tapos magsasnob ka. Huwag! So again, it's very, very much important to reply back to your viewers, yung mga nag-comment. Kasi that little act, they're going to really appreciate it talaga. Promise. So yung last naman na sasabihin ko is, be yourself. Be yourself. Show the people who you really are. Kasi naman, they will really love you for who you are. Kasi yung mga subscribers mo, gusto ka nila panoorin dahil sa personality mo, dahil you're being you. So, that's it for our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you learned a thing or two sa mga sinasabi ko. I hope na lahat ng mga nasabi ko, pa-apply yan sa YouTube nyo. And I hope your YouTube journey will be successful soon along with mine. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment down below in your thoughts of this video. Yung mga nasabi ko. Comment kayo. I really want na merong magka-comment and I will reply to them. And I will heart them. Ayan. Follow me on my Instagram. It is @beautifynicole, and follow me on my gaming page. It will be placed over here. And follow me on my second YouTube channel. It will be linked down below. Subscribe if you haven't. If you did, thank you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye! Stay home, stay safe. Love you so much. Boost your immune system. Stay home. Ayan. Bye. Mwah! I love you so much. So very much. Ha? Pimples. Shout out to Anjuela, Cloud Santiago, Melanie Mende, and Alan Hamelo. Hello! If gusto nyo ng shout out, comment you down below and I will shout out on the next video. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, Beautify Nicole! So guys, this channel is all about makeup reviews, beauty hacks, skincare, and any other videos related to makeup. So please click the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So follow me on my Instagram. It is @beautifynicole. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Mwah! Subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Welcome to my channel, Beautify Nicole.